Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Today I am going to solve question number 7 of exercise 3.3, in which we have to show that the given left hand side is equals to right hand side. So for the proof I am taking left hand side. So starting the solution from the left hand side, what we can do, first we have to simplify the roots. I am converting these roots into the powers like this, 1 upon 4 here, and on 2 I have to write 1 upon 10, and in the denominator I have to write like this, 18 with power 1 upon 3 and 2 again with power 1 upon 2 this time. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to apply a law of logarithm here. First we have to apply the second law for division. Okay, so by applying second law of logarithm, we will get log of this term 5 1 upon 4 and 2 1 upon 10 minus log of this term. Okay, log of numerator minus log of denominator. We can see that here terms are multiplying also, so I am applying the first law on this. So by applying first law, we have to write log of the first number and plus the log of the second number, applying first law of logarithm here and also on this second term. So log of 5 1 upon 4 plus log of 2 1 upon 10, and for applying this I have to first write minus sign and put a bracket. Why I am putting a bracket here? Because when the minus sign will be multiplied, it will change the both terms. Okay, so log of 18 1 upon 3 plus log of 2 1 upon 2. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to apply one more law on this, because we can see that there are powers present, so we have to apply the third law on this question. So I am applying third law. According to third law, the power will come in the beginning. Okay, beginning of each log plus log of 2, and this power will come in the start, log of 18 plus 1 upon 2 log of 2. Okay, now in this step I am just multiplying this minus sign inside the bracket by using the distributive law. So 1 upon 4 log 2 minus 1 upon 3 minus plus will be minus 1 upon 3 log of 18. This minus plus will be minus log of 1 upon 2 log of 2. Okay, we are done with all the three laws of logarithm. Now we have to simplify it. You can see it is a prime number, it is also a prime number, it is also a prime number, but this 18 is not a prime number, so we have a chance to convert it into its prime factors. So we have to write it like this. Rest of the question will be written same, but we have to write this 18 like 3 square into 2, as its factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So I am writing it like 3 square into 2, and all the other terms will be written same. Now as you can see, there are two numbers are multiplying, so we can apply the first law again on it. So I am writing all the other terms as it is. I am taking this minus 1 upon 3 as common and putting a bracket over here. Okay, this minus 1 upon 3 will be multiplied with the both of the term. So I am writing this log of 3 square and plus log of 2. Okay, after that the remaining term will be written as same. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to multiply this minus 1 upon 3 with these two terms. I am multiplying this minus 1 upon 3 inside the bracket. So it will be minus plus minus 1 upon 3 log of a 3 square and minus plus minus log of 1 upon 3 log of 2 here. Okay. Now the last term will be written. So we have these three terms with log of 2. These are similar terms. We can solve them together, and rest of the question will remain same. So I am writing it like this, gathering the like terms together. Okay, writing together the like terms 1 upon 3. I am grouping the like terms, and after that I have to write this minus 1 upon 2 log of 2. This term will be written in the end. 1 minus 1 upon 3. We have to apply the third law of logarithm here because it has a power. So plus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2, and log of 2 is taken as common, and I am applying the third law according to which 2 will come in the beginning. So it will be 2 upon 3. Okay, 2 will be multiplied with this 1 upon 3, and answer will be 2 upon 3, and log of 3 will remain here. Okay, I have to solve these three fractions together. So I have to take an LCM of these three. The LCM of these three terms will be 30. So 10 3s are 30, so 3 will be multiplied here. 3 10s are 30, so 10 will be multiplied here, and minus after minus sign 2 15s are 30, so 15 will be multiplied in the numerator. Okay, we are done with this calculation. Now what we have to do, we have to write this term in the end. We have to solve this fraction, and we will get 3 minus 10 minus 15 upon 30, and log remaining question will be written as it is. So the solution will be minus 10 and minus 15 will be minus 25. Minus 25 plus 3 will be minus 22 upon 30 log of 2. Now we can cancel these two numbers with the table of 2. So by cancelling these two numbers with the table of 2, we are come up with 11 upon 15 log of 2 minus 2 upon 3 log of 3. So this side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay, we are done with question number 7.